What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Castle of Alchemists on your PC. So what we need to do is open our Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video to support us. Once you have done that, we need to locate this game first on Steam, and then we can proceed to another website so we can download this game without overspending. Now, so you need to go to the Steam website, and after that we are searching up the game Castle of Alchemists. So search up the game, then select it, and if we scroll a little bit down, then you will see that there is a free demo available, but we would like to download this full game. Now on Steam this game is €11.83, but don't worry, we got a workaround. What you need to do is go to the video description where it says find game here and click on that link. Now you are redirected to this webpage, and here we can search for the same game, Castle of Alchemists. Now select the games on the left side, after that sort by price lowest first, and as you can see we have found a PC version which can be activated in our country, so this text needs to be marked green, and then you can select it. Now after that, if you purchase this game for just €6.08 instead of €11.83, it will save you a bit of money while downloading games. Now once you have purchased this game through this website, you will receive an email confirmation including a activation key for Steam or a completely new Steam account, all legit, to download this game on your PC. Now hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!